Most people think growing better tomatoes is about adding more fertilizer, but that's not really the problem. The real difference comes from how the plant is set up right from the start. If the roots are weak, the plant struggles no matter what you add later. But if you build the right foundation, the plant can almost take care of itself. In this video, we're looking at 2 simple tomato growing methods that quietly do exactly that, helping the plant grow stronger roots, stay supported, and keep feeding itself naturally throughout the season. Method number 1, horizontal trench tomato planting. This method allows tomato plants to develop massive root systems while feeding themselves naturally throughout the season. Start by selecting a sunny spot and digging a deep and wide hole that can hold a good amount of kitchen waste. Then, create shallow trenches extending from the hole where the tomato stem will be laid horizontally. Carefully place the tomato plant so the root ball sits in the main hole and the stem lies along the trench. Gently bending the top upward so it remains above the soil. Fill the main hole with organic kitchen waste, like vegetable peels, fruit scraps, and eggshells, which will act as a slow-release fertilizer. Cover both the hole and the trench with a mixture of compost and garden soil, ensuring the buried stem is fully covered. Lightly firm the soil to remove air gaps while keeping it loose enough for root growth. Over time, the buried stem begins to develop additional roots along its length, creating a much larger root system than normal planting. Water the plant thoroughly to settle the soil and activate decomposition of the organic matter. As the kitchen waste breaks down, it continuously releases nutrients into the soil, feeding the plant naturally. This method reduces the need for extra fertilizers while producing stronger, more productive tomato plants. Method number 2, bottle support root boosting system. This method strengthens young tomato plants by improving support and encouraging additional root formation along the stem. Start by observing your tomato plants after a few weeks of growth. And remove any weeds around them to reduce competition for nutrients and water. You can also grow companion plants like onions and marigold nearby to help naturally repel pests. Next, prepare a plastic bottle by cutting off both the top and bottom and making a vertical cut so it can open and wrap around the plant. Carefully place this bottle structure around the tomato plant, ensuring it stands firmly on the soil surface. Fill the bottle with a mixture of compost and garden soil. Gently pressing it down to remove air gaps. This added soil layer provides physical support to the plant and keeps it upright as it grows taller. More importantly, it increases the portion of the stem in contact with soil, allowing the tomato plant to grow additional roots along the buried section. These extra roots improve nutrient and water absorption, leading to stronger and healthier growth. Repeat the process for all plants in the bed to create a uniform system. Finally, apply a nitrogen-rich compost tea around the base of the plants to boost early growth and leaf development. With better support, increased root mass, and proper feeding, the tomato plants become stronger, more stable, and ready for heavy fruit production in the coming weeks. Method number 3, planting tomato in bed made up of carrot leaves. What do you do after harvesting carrots? Instead of throwing away the leaves, this method will tell you how to turn carrot leaves into a powerful soil amendment that sets the best stage for your next healthy tomato crop. Start by making a simple liquid fertilizer. Chop the carrot leaves into small pieces to help them break down faster. Put a few handfuls of chopped leaves into a bucket. Add some compost. Then fill the container with rainwater or dechlorinated water. Stir well. Cover the bucket and let it sit for at least 14 days. During this time, the nutrients from the leaves and compost will seep into the water, creating a strong plant tonic. While that brews, you can begin prepping your bed. Spread chopped carrot leaves directly on the garden bed. This adds organic matter that breaks down and improves soil structure. sprinkle neem cake over the top to repel soil pests and provide nutrients slowly as it breaks down. Then finish with a thick layer of well-rotted manure. Manure is full of essential nutrients and helps the soil hold moisture, which is key for healthy root growth. Once the bed is ready, wait 2 weeks to let the organic matter start decomposing and enriching the soil. After that, it's time to plant tomatoes. Dig holes about 12 inches apart and slightly deeper than your seedlings. When you transplant, bury about half of the stem. This encourages the plant to develop additional roots and become stronger. Finally, feed each seedling with your prepared carrot leaf liquid. Just dilute it first. Mix 1 part of the liquid with 5 parts of water. Before applying it, to avoid overfeeding, this boost of nutrients helps your young plants grow quickly and stay healthy. This method is also great for peppers, and it uses materials you'd normally toss out. It's a perfect mix of recycling and natural gardening that builds better soil and stronger plants.